Okay. I got a lot of requests for people to ask me questions about boats, locations, and what's it like to be out here. Well, as you can very well tell, it's absolutely spectacular. It's gorgeous out here. We're on the water, and we just finished detailing this boat, and it's gorgeous. You walk around here. Let's take a look. Beautiful home. We cleaned this boat for 4 hours, inside and out. As you can well tell, it's looks new. This is what we can do for your boats, folks. Get ready for the spring, summer. Walk over here. Got the owner's dog out here busting my chops. Just look at that. Beautiful. Yeah. And we can do the same for your boat. All you gotta do is call us 423-704-6131. This is Mobile Detailing, Chattanooga. You can Google us. Look at that water. I need to come out here and borrow his boat and terracing this water up. Man. Well, anyway, make sure I don't fall in the water. All right, there's the pooch. You bust my chops. Oh, and the sea-doos. Can't forget the sea-doos. Here's the sea-doos. Got them cleaned up for the guy. He's happy, good to go. Got his fishing pole sitting over there, ready to go. All right, until next time, see ya.